Neil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We are on a residential property cleaning fiberglass. As you can see, it's very heavy growth on this roof. This is actually in a garage. As you can see, the garage door is closed, so the light levels that we're getting through the paneling at the moment is basically all they have. I'm going to clean it up using our usual soft wash process, which is a chemical clean combined with low pressure washing, and then I'm going to come back in here and I'll show you the results from this clean. As you can see, this is all organic growth that's on the roofing. Everyone, so you can see from the top side of the roof severe growth of lichen. This is us applying the chemical formula, which is what we have to do to get a result here. Okay everyone, so we're about to start doing our low wash now, low pressure wash. Have a look at this. Give you an idea of how low pressure this is. Okay, there's the spray. That's how low pressure it is. You can just watch it peeling off. Okay everyone, so these are the finished results. Amazing difference. Now because they left it so long, you can see all the residual root marks in the fiberglass, but fundamentally the light can still pass through it. So these are the finished results on the underside of the garage, and bear in mind it's an overcast day today. So, and we're just getting, if you look in the garage now compared to what we were getting before, is just a tremendous amount of light. They don't even need to use the light, the electric light. So there we go. Because they left it so long, you can see the residual root marks in the fiberglass. But even that, given that, from a functionality perspective, it's absolute magic. And I can assure you the price I charge compared to the price of replacement is a fraction. Probably on average about a quarter to a third of the price is what I would charge than what it costs to get it replaced. And the other thing you've got to maybe consider is that rather than replacing this sheeting, and all of this would just go to the landfill. So if you bear that in mind, then you don't have to A, buy more product, and B, dispose of this product in landfill. So from a environmental perspective, it's better to clean than it is to replace. Hope that's been helpful, and give us a call if we can help you.